Share with the world what brought you in here.
I've had right hip pain for 2 years now, and the ortho told me I'd have to have a hip replacement in about 5 years. So I don't want that. I'm too young, so I started coming here.
Heck yeah. So we've had the pain for 2 years, and we've been here, I think, for about 3 months or so now. Yeah. So how's the hip pain currently?
It's getting so much better. 3 months ago, I couldn't walk my dogs. And I'm walking the dogs, cycling, swimming, a lot. I ran 5K.
I love it. I love it. And then when I used to do this to you, you used to swear at me. So we're definitely progressing, right?
Yes.
Hold on to the side. And then whenever we would do the hip pull, just to traction that all out, let that relax. She would also swear at me, so we've gotten away from that, which is amazing. Beautiful. And share with the world, what is it that you're studying right now?
Acupuncture.
Yes.
I'm a doctorate in acupuncture.
I love it. We're big fans of acupuncture. I go regularly myself. And any natural way that we have healing the body is ideal.
Yeah.
But let them know, what did all that studying do to your head and your neck?
It's actually, my neck is worse than my hip was. I'm on studying.
I think we had a lot of headaches when we first started. How are those headaches now?
Rare.
Rare.
Yeah, I don't get them pretty rarely. Yeah, just the neck tightness, but.
Right, and that ends up happening because you're studying like 10 hours a day.
Yeah.
The neck pain, and you have so many people that are just popping pills to cover up the problem and never get to the root cause. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy, and we know for headaches, pressure right here, the suboccipitals, will restrict blood flow and nerve flow up, so let that relax. Beautiful, nice and easy. Just like that. Big hug. Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Woo! This side facing me. Awesome, I'm gonna bend this knee right here. Beautiful, like that. All the way relaxed, nice. Oh my goodness, Kathleen. How's the bike been treating you this week?
Oh, good, I love it. So fun.
How many classes are you doing per week on it?
3 classes a week.
Is it
more?
Is it all an hour every single time?
No, they're different ones.
Nice. You're doing awesome.
Thank you.
Lots and lots of water.
Yes.
And then